In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add or remove a contact from an ActiveCampaign list. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. ActiveCampaign is a powerful tool for managing your email marketing and CRM activities, and being able to manage your contacts effectively is key to making the most of this platform. So, whether you need to add a new contact to your list or want to remove someone who no longer needs to receive your emails, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start with how to add a contact. Once you've logged into your ActiveCampaign account, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts tab located in the left side menu. This is where you can manage all your contacts in one place. At the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Add a Contact. Go ahead and click that. Now a form will pop up for you to fill out. Start by entering the contact's email address. This is crucial because it's how ActiveCampaign identifies each contact. After entering the email, you'll find additional fields where you can include the contact's first name, last name, phone number, and any tags you want to assign them. Tags are a great way to segment your contacts for targeted campaigns later on. Once you've filled out the necessary information, look for the drop-down menu that shows a list of your existing lists. Here, you'll want to select the specific list you want to add this contact to. If this contact is new to your system, make sure that ActiveCampaign recognizes them as a unique contact, and then click on the Add button at the bottom of the form. And just like that, you've added a new contact to your list. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how to remove a contact from a list. If you need to unsubscribe someone, or they've requested to be removed, you can do this easily as well. Start by going back to the Contacts tab. Here, you can either browse through your contacts or use the search bar to find the person you wish to remove. Once you locate their profile, click on their name to open up more details. You'll see various options displayed. Look for the section that shows the lists the contact is currently subscribed to. There will be a checkbox next to each list. Simply uncheck the box next to the list you want to remove them from. If you need to completely delete the contact from your account rather than just removing them from a list, look for the Delete option, usually found in the top right corner of their contact profile. Just a quick word of caution here. Once you delete a contact, you can't restore them, so be sure you really want to proceed with that. After making your changes, ActiveCampaign may prompt you to confirm the action, especially when removing or deleting a contact. Simply follow the prompts and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. Whether it's adding new contacts to engage with or removing those who no longer wish to receive communications, managing your ActiveCampaign